If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, this is what happens to your body. Garlic is an undeniably popular food nowadays. If you walk into the grocery store, you will find an exorbitant amount of items with this flavor, be it bread, chips, poultry, meat, pretzels, and salad dressing. This demand is not a new phenomenon. Garlic has been celebrated since ancient times. Ancient civilizations, who never contacted each other, understood the incredible value in this plant. Ancient Egypt used them to increase strength and productivity, circulatory ailments, and insect infestation. The Talmud, a Jewish text from the 2nd century, prescribed garlic for parasites and other disorders. Ancient Greek soldiers ate garlic to enhance their courage, and to protect the skin against poison. Ancient Romans thought it to improve cardiovascular status, gastrointestinal disorders, and alleviation of joint disease. Japan and China used it for respiration and digestion. The pattern continues throughout ancient India, the Middle Ages, the Renaissance, and early America. 1. They were correct. Scientific health benefits of garlic. Today, science has investigated this unassuming plant and found it to be a superstar for health and healing. It holds the following qualities: prevents atherosclerosis, heart attacks, coronary heart disease, lowers cholesterol, blood pressure levels, heals bug bites, alleviates cold symptoms and hay fever, helps treatment of fungal infections, travelers' diarrheas, eliminate toxins, strengthen immunity. It can also efficiently control the symptoms of diabetes, enlarged prostate, osteoarthritis. When garlic is combined with ginger and onion, it has the power to detoxify the body after chemotherapy. If reading about these amazing benefits is giving you garlic cravings, here is the proper way to eat it to improve your health. Garlic and honey recipe. Garlic is optimal in its raw form since heat decentralizes allicin, its core active ingredient. Crush and chop the cloves, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and add it to your food. Crushing the garlic improves the bioavailability, so if you don't have a garlic press, it's time to invest in one. Consume this recipe on an empty stomach, because a satiated system won't be able to absorb the vital nutrients. Take this regularly to strengthen your immunity and achieve your optimal health. Ingredients: 2-3 raw garlic cloves, chopped finely. 1 tablespoon honey. Combine and enjoy. It's as simple as that. Take this every day for bolstered energy levels. Garlic flu tonic recipe. If you are fighting cold or flu and in need of an immunity boost, try this tonic. It's bursting with health-promoting foods. Ingredients: 5 garlic cloves, chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger, chopped. Raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. 1 lemon, juiced. 2 red chili peppers, chopped. Directions: add the ingredients, 1 layer at a time, into a 350 to 500 milliliters mason jar. Start with the garlic, chili peppers, and ginger, and end with the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar. Seal the jar, ensuring there is at least 1 centimeter of space from the rim. Store the jar in the pantry and consume some of this mixture regularly until your flu symptoms are gone, or for prevention,